Good morning, children. You all must have felt that early in the morning the weather is pleasant. But as the day proceeds, it becomes warm. We start feeling uncomfortable and switch on fan to get a relief. In the evening, it becomes pleasant. It becomes cool and breezy. Everyone starts coming out of their houses to go for a walk or to play in the park. And in the night, it becomes cooler than the evening. So, you see, children, the temperature is not same all the time throughout the day. Sometimes it is cold, sometimes hot, sometimes windy, and sometimes it rains. So, children, based on the same concept of changing state of atmosphere around us, today we are going to study chapter 16, Weather and Seasons. In this chapter, we all will understand the difference between weather and climate, why weather changes, how weather affects both plants and animals, the five main seasons in our country: winter, spring, summer, monsoon, and autumn. So, children, let's start. Some days are hot, while others are cold. Sometimes it rains, and at other times it is dry. Have you ever wondered why it happens? This happens because of the changes in the atmosphere of a particular place. The condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is called as weather. Weather often changes. It changes during the day and also from day to day. So, children, the weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and at a particular time. Throughout the day, we experience that the weather is hot when the sun shines brightly. It is dull when the sun is hidden behind the clouds. The weather is wet when it rains. So, the weather or the state of atmosphere keeps on changing from day to day or from time to time. Let's move on to this pink box. How was the weather in the morning? Has it changed now or is it the same? Why does the weather change? So, children, this activity you have to do by yourself. Let's move on. The heat of the sun causes a change in the temperature. This temperature change brings about the movement of air. The moving air, called wind, causes the weather to change. The air heated by the sun rises upwards and carries water vapor. The water vapor rises in the sky and forms clouds. When these clouds cool down, it rains. The whole process continues in the atmosphere. This is called water cycle. Thus, weather depends on the sun, wind, clouds and rain. So, children, these are the four factors on which the weather of a particular place depends. The sun causes the movement of air as well as the circulation of water in the form of water cycle. Children, due to the heat of the sun, the air becomes warm and light in weight. This warm air then rises upwards, and when it cools down, it again comes back to the ground, causing the movement of air. And this movement of air is called as wind. Similarly, the sun heats the water in the water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, seas, and oceans, which causes the evaporation of water. On reaching high up in the sky, this water vapor comes in contact with the cold air, and so this water vapor cools down to form drops of water. These tiny drops of water join together to form clouds, and when this cloud becomes very heavy, it falls down in the form of rain, hail, and snow. So, you see, children, sun plays a very important role in the change of weather. Let's move on to seasons. When the weather remains more or less the same for a few months in a year, it is called season. The year is divided into 5 seasons: spring, summer, rainy season or monsoon, autumn, and winter. Seasons affect the way we live, the clothes we wear, and the food we eat. So, children, if a particular type of weather condition remains for a few months, then we call it a season. Like, it is extremely hot in the months of April, May, and June. So, this time period of the year is called as summer season. Similarly, from November to February, It is extremely cold. So this time period is called as winter season. So children, now I hope you must have understood what are seasons. Let's move on to our first season, which is winter season. In winter, the weather is very cold. It begins around the middle of November and continues till February. The days are short and the nights are longer. There is snowfall in mountains. People like to stay indoors when the cold wind blows. We wear woolen clothes and enjoy drinking hot soup, milk, tea, and coffee. Some animals, like bears, go on their long winter sleep. This is called hibernation. So, children, winter begins from the month of November and lasts till the month of February. It comes after rainy season. December and January are the coldest month of the year. Winter mornings are misty and cold. It is the season of frost, biting winds, and extreme cold. We see dense fog everywhere. The days are short and the nights are longer during winters. We all wear woolen clothes and use heater and blankets to keep ourselves warm. We also like to have hot food during this season. There are some animals like bears, bats, which hibernate during winter. What is hibernation? Hibernation is long sleep. It is a way animals conserve energy to survive adverse weather conditions. Next is try this. Name two festivals that we celebrate during winter season. So children, in winter season we celebrate Christmas, Makar Sankranti, Pongal. Makar Sankranti and Pongal are harvest festivals which we celebrate in winter season. Let's move on to the next page. Again, try this. Name two animals and insects that disappear during winter season. So children, there are many animals and insects which disappear. They go in hibernation like snakes, bears. Similarly, you will not see lizards also around. Our next topic is spring. After winter, there is a short season called spring. It is generally in the month of March. It is neither too hot nor too cold. The length of the days and nights are equal. There are lots of flowers in the garden. We enjoy watching the bees and butterflies visiting them. It is an ideal season for picnics. So children, spring is the most pleasant season. It comes with the blossoming of beautiful and colorful flowers. It is observed in the month of March, just after winter season and before summer season. The length of the days and nights become equal. Next is, did you know? People celebrate Basant Panchami and worship goddess Saraswati. Holi also falls in this season. Next is summer season. Summer is the hottest season of the year. It begins in April and continues till June. The air is warm and dry and the days are long. A hot wind called Loo blows in the northern part of our country, making people stay indoors in the afternoon. Let's move on to try this. Name any three famous hill stations of India. So children, any three famous hill stations of India can be Shimla, Shillong, Ooty. You can write the name of other hill stations also. Next is, did you know? The Gulmohar and Laburnum blossom only in summers, bearing bright red and yellow flowers. So children, here you can see the images of Gulmohar tree and Laburnum tree. They blossom only in the summers. Let's move on to the next page. People enjoy cold drinks like lemonade, ice creams and fruits such as watermelons, lychees, mangoes, plums, etc. Children enjoy swimming. Some of us go to hill stations to stay away from the heat. So children, April, May and June are summer months when we feel extremely hot. We all wear light colored, loose fitted cotton clothes as they allow the circulation of air in and out of the cloth. We like to stay indoors and use fans, coolers and air conditioners to get relief from the hot weather. We also like to drink plenty of water and juices to keep ourselves hydrated. Our next weather is monsoon. Monsoon is also called as rainy season. In summers, the land becomes very hot. The wind blows over the sea and picks up water vapor. These winds then blow back towards the land. The water vapor cools down and falls down as rain in the month of July, August, and September. These are the rainy months. People use raincoats and umbrellas. Floods occur in some places where there is too much rain. Rain helps farmers to grow crops. So, children, after hot summers comes the monsoon, which brings cool wind and heavy showers of rain with it. The rain washes the dust away. We use raincoats and umbrellas while stepping out. We often see rainbows in the sky. Children, rainbow is a curved arc of light of 7 colors across the sky. Rainbow is caused by the sun's rays shining through drops of water during or after the rain. The colors of the rainbow are collectively called as Vibgyor. V stands for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. These are the colors of a rainbow. Did you know? The farmer's friend, the earthworm, is often seen crawling out of the soil during this season. The next part. Did you know? The word monsoon comes from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. Next is try this. Why is the earthworm called a farmer's friend? Children, it is called so because it helps in the decomposition or breaking down of dead and decaying matter which is present in the soil. Like the dried and dead leaves are again converted into the manure by the process of decomposition. This manure is very helpful in the growth of plants. Next is autumn season. The rainy season is followed by the short season of autumn in the month of October. In this season, the weather begins to cool and the days start to become a little shorter. The trees lose their leaves. This season is also called the festive season as we celebrate many festivals like Dashera, Durga Puja and Diwali. So children, October month is observed as autumn season. As the trees start shedding their leaves in this season, that is why this season is also called as fall. In this season, the weather begins to cool and the days start getting shorter. Birds living in very cold regions start migrating to warmer places to save themselves from extreme cold during winters. Let's move on to the next topic. How seasons affect us. Our lives are deeply affected by seasons. The food we eat, the clothes we wear, and the activities we do change from season to season. For example, people living in hilly areas wear woolen clothes while those living in hot areas wear cotton clothes. Next is try this. Here is a list of things. Arrange them according to the seasons. So children, this is an interesting activity. You have to arrange all these things according to their seasons. Like for example, first one is sweater. When do we wear sweater? We wear sweater in winter season. Similarly, rest of the things you will arrange according to their seasons by yourself. Next is climate. The term climate refers to the weather conditions that a place has over a long period of time for several years. For example, places in mountains have a cool climate, while places in the plains have a hot climate. The weather of a place may change often, but the climate does not change so fast. The climate of a place also affects our lives. The houses we build depend on the climate of the place. Crops and plants are grown according to the climate of a place. So children, if a place has similar weather conditions over a long period of time, then we call it as a climate. So children, in this way the reading and explanation of this chapter is done. Before we move on to the book exercises, I request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you so much children. Let's move on to the book exercises. Question number A. Tick the correct options. Question number 1. In which season do new leaves grow on the trees and flowers bloom? So we all know that the new leaves grow on trees and flowers start blooming in spring season. Question number 2. In which season is Durga Puja celebrated? So children, Durga Puja is celebrated in autumn season. Third, the season in which people like to drink cold drinks and eat ice creams. So we all know the answer to this question will be summer season. In summer season, we all love to eat ice creams and drink lots of cold juices. Question number 4. The winds that bring rains are called strong winds, monsoon winds, cool winds. So the answer to this question would be monsoon winds. Question number 5. Moving air is called weather, wind or rain. So children, moving air is called as wind. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Dash is the coolest time of the year. So we all know winter is the coolest time of the year. Second, in the hills and mountains, the dash is cool and pleasant. So in the hills and mountains, the weather is cool and pleasant. Third, dash is also known as the farmer's friend. So earthworm is also known as the farmer's friend. Fourth, during spring season, we see lots of dash and dash over the flowers. So we see lots of bees and butterflies over the flowers. Fifth, people like to visit dash stations during summers. So people like to visit hill stations during summers. Question number C, match the following. Now children, here on the left hand side, the names of the seasons are mentioned, and on the right hand side, the events which happen during these seasons are given, and we have to match them appropriately. Like for example, the first one is winter. In winter, the days are cold. So the last sentence on the right hand side will be the correct match for first one. Second season is spring. In spring season, the trees have new leaves. The third sentence from top will be a second one. Third season is summer. In summer, the season is very hot. So second sentence on the right hand side will be the correct match for summer season. Fourth is monsoon. The first sentence, this season brings rain. This is your correct match for monsoon season. Fifth is autumn. The fourth sentence on the right hand side, the trees lose their leaves. This will be the correct match for autumn season. Question number D, give short answers to the following questions. Question number 1, what do you mean by weather? Answer, the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is called weather. Question number 2, name the 4 things on which weather depends upon. Answer, the weather depends on the sun, wind, clouds and rain. Question number 3, what is hibernation? Give examples. Answer, some animals go on a long sleep during winter, which is called hibernation. It is the way animals conserve energy to survive adverse weather conditions. For example, bears, bat, etc. Question number E. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What do you mean by water cycle? Explain with the help of a diagram. Answer. The water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. The different processes involved in the water cycle are given below. A. The sun heats the water in the rivers, oceans and other water bodies, because of which the water evaporates in the air as water vapors. B. High up in the sky, these water vapors come in contact with cold air and form drops of water. C. These drops of water join to form clouds and they fall as rain. In very cold places, water drops freeze and fall as snow. D. This cycle of water in nature is called the water cycle. Children, after writing this answer, you can draw this diagram. Here, precipitation means rain, hail or snow, whatever comes down from the cloud. Question number 2. How do seasons affect our lives? Answer. Seasons affect the food we eat, the clothes we wear and the activities we do. Question number 3. Why is rainy season important for the farmers? Answer. Rainy season is important for the farmers as it provides enough water to the crops standing in the field. Good irrigation will result in good yield. HOTS. Question. Each season plays an important role in our lives. Which season do you like the most and why? Children, this question you have to do by yourself. You have to write which season is your favorite season and why. Here, I am providing you a sample which will help you in writing the paragraph properly. My favorite season is spring season, so I am going to write about spring season. I like every season because of the vibes and happiness they bring. But my favorite season is spring. It is the season of positive energy, beauty, and freshness. It marks the end of winter and precedes summer. In India, the duration of this season is from the end of February to the starting of April. In the spring season, the temperature becomes moderate and the duration of the days and nights become equal. After a long wait, finally time comes when we start wearing lighter clothes and can go outside the door more often. Holi festival falls at the start of this season, when everyone fully enjoys the coming of spring by playing Holi with colors and water. Next is life skills. Many parts of the country get plenty of rain, but some do not get enough rains and many a times they face water shortage. How can we preserve water? Children, we all know that out of the total supply of water available on earth, less than 1% of the water is drinkable. Children, it is very important that we all inculcate this habit of saving water. How can we save water? We can save water by doing small little things like turning off taps while brushing teeth, taking shorter baths, turning off tap while applying soap, turning off tap after each use, not flushing tissue paper or waste into the toilet. We can save water in the kitchen by washing fruits or vegetables in a bowl of water, using water from melted ice cubes of ice drinks to water plants, use of flushed out RO water to wash cars and bikes. We should close all taps and valves before we step out of the house or go on a vacation. We should fill half a glass of water to drink first and then refill if required. Practice rainwater harvesting at home. It means to collect and store rainwater for domestic use. We should store water in buckets and tubs in the washrooms for later use. So children, these are some of the small little things which we can do to save water. Next is activity. Paste pictures of different season and write few lines on. First, the clothes we wear in different seasons. Second, the festivals that fall in those seasons. Third, the special dishes we prepare in those seasons. This activity can be done in groups and then the information can be shared with the whole class. So children, this is a group activity which has to be done in the class. In this activity, you have to make a collage like the one which is shown over here, but along with the clothes, you have to show the festivals which are celebrated and the special dishes which are made during these seasons. For example, in winter, we all celebrate Makar Sankranti and we eat khichdi. So all these things can be shown in the collage. Children, in the end, I am providing you this worksheet for extra practice. So children, in this way, the reading, explanation, book exercises, question and answers, HOTS and all the activities are done. Do give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Children, in case you have any doubt or query related to any topic in the chapter, please write the same in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. All the best, children.